What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create About Us page in Shopify. So first is head over to admin.shopify.com, and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Online Store, then click on Pages. Next is click on Add Page, and we're just going to name this About Us. And from here, start adding content to your About Us page. Add information about your company, organization. You can also tell your brand's story, share your vision or mission. You can also introduce team members and outline your history and achievements. You can also use their AI tool that lets you generate text. Just describe the text that you want to be generated. And once you're satisfied with the text, you can click on Keep. Next is make sure that the visibility is invisible and choose the template in which you want the About Us page to show up. And once done, just click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!